How to get the best Pacsun discount promo codes. Looking for the best Pacsun discount codes? Let's break down the easiest way to score legit savings without wasting time on expired or fake codes. So, first, use official Pacsun deals. Start with Pacsun's own website. They regularly post season sales like denim deals, swimwear discounts, and up to 70% off markdowns. Signing up for Pacsun Rewards also gets you $5 off instantly. Second thing you can do is to check trusted coupon sites like Retail Me Not, Simply Codes, and Coupon Follow. So, on websites like this, you'd be able to find verified codes that you can use on the platform. So, at the left side, you'd be able to find the current offer for the specific coupon. And then at the right, you'd be able to find the show code button, which you can simply press to be able to get the code that you can use for the specific offer. For extra savings, community-driven sites like Simply Codes let users test and verify promo codes. Popular ones include 20% off store-wide and $10 off orders over $50. The real hack: stack your savings, use a promo code, activate cashback, and meet the free shipping threshold, usually $59 or more. And that is how to get the best Pacsun discount promo codes.